What's good, my peeps? Welcome back to Jambisco Dan TV. I'm your host, Jambisco, back with another mad update and another bad update. You don't know. Yeah, man, people, in today's update, we have Massicka charting #1 in 16 countries and also send a very strong message to the non-believers and the naysayers in dancehall. Also, we have Vybz Kartel lawyer Isaac Buchanan suspended following a recent incident on social media. Does this spell bad news for Vybz Kartel appeal? We have more coming up in an update. And also, young artist, the Senegal boss himself, big rapper like Bob Najeeriii, took to the stage this past Tuesday in Mandeville. And people have a lot to say about the performance. Some people think he did good, others think him flop out. But we do have his full performance coming up, and you can make a judge for yourself. You don't know. Yeah, man, people, let's jump right into the update. Yeah, man, first off, Massicka is charting #1 in 16 different countries, according to the World Music Views Instagram page. Yeah, man, people, it's a good look. According to that article, it says Massicka continues to set new records at an impressive pace with his sophomore album Generation of Kings currently securing the top spot in 16 countries on Apple Music. This marks an increase from just 3 days ago when it was charting in 13 countries. The countries where the album is currently reigning at #1 on Apple Music include Anguilla, Antigua and Barbuda, Barbados, Belize, British Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, Dominica, Grenada, Guyana, Jamaica, St. Kitts and Nevis, Seychelles, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, and Turks and Caicos. Yeah, man, people, you hear that? Yeah, man, the genocide boss himself, I do things, man. It says, released via Def Jam Records on December 1st, Generation of Kings is also making waves on iTunes, topping the charts in 4 countries. Antigua and Barbuda, Cayman Islands, Grenada, St. Kitts and Nevis, and Bermuda. Yeah, man, people, you hear that? Yeah, man, the genocide boss definitely out there do things. It's a good look. Yeah, man, very happy for Massicka and his sophomore album, Generation of Kids. They're doing very well. This is not only a win for Massicka, but a win for dancehall and the culture overall. Also, another update, people, following this achievement, Massicka had a very strong words to send to the haters and naysayers on IG Live. Yeah, man, people, you want to take a look? Let's check it out.
Hear that? Rise up. Hear that? Bun well done. Hear that? Bun bad man. Hear that? Yeah, man, young and rich and powerful. All the way a black king and them can't stop that. Hear that? Suck your mother bad man. 1,000 times. One. Big up my brother Popcorn Panda one. You hear? I youths them a do it. Youths them a do it. Remember that. Corruption done. Hear that? Youths them time. Remember that blood clot. Generation of Kings. All of the local youth them time. Remember that. Rise and show them. All of them are down. One side. Believe on yourself, youth. No, make no tell you nothing. Hear that? All the way a king. All the way a king. Remember me telling you that.
Yeah, man, people, you hear that? Yeah, man, that is the genocide boss himself. Yeah, man, Massicka sent some strong message to the naysayers and the haters. You see me, I say, yeah, man, I'm making no say straight to the young youths that do it right now in the dance hall. You see me, all the go gatekeepers and the people them bus before them, the older heads them, where I hold back the young youths them. You see me, I say, yo, shame man do it. I show you say the young youth them do it right now. For them time right now, them do the thing and you know what I'm saying, bro, barriers, and show them say, yo, we can't do it too. You see me? Yeah. The old guys them had their time and they did their thing, but at the young youths time, you know what I'm saying? Them I do it for the culture and I put in the work. And I tell the young ones, say, yo, believe in yourself. For young artists, them I believe in yourself, man. Y'all can do it too. You see me? I see him, so they used to tell him, so them can't look where he's at. You see me? So yeah, man, real dope look. Shout out to Massicka, man. Yeah, man, I love that for the genocide boss. You see me? I say, yeah, man, and moving on in the stories, guys. Yeah, man, the teacher. The Gaza King the world boss himself, you don't know, a DJ Palmer, Vybz Kartel. Unfortunately, it seems that his lawyer, Isaac Buchanan, was suspended for 2 years following a recent incident on social media. I do have a bit of an update on the situation from Stars. I'm just going to read a little bit of for you. It says, suspended Isaac to miss out on Vybz Kartel appeal. It said, Buchanan was on Tuesday under a 2-year suspension by a disciplinary panel of General Legal Counsel (GLC) after he was found guilty of professional misconduct. His charges stem for offensive comments he directed at Jamaica's chief prosecutor Paula Llewellyn while co-hosting a program with controversial social media personality Andre Stephen. It is reported the attorney quoted lyrics of the song "The Menace" by his client Palmer, in which he directed that Llewellyn perform a sexual act. The comment set off a firestorm of criticism, triggering Buchanan's resignation from several positions he held at the time. A complaint to the disciplinary committee of the GLC by its chairman, Denise Kitson, was also filed. In documents seen by the Star, Kitson indicated that her complaint was based on the profane language used by Buchanan and that his conduct constituted a breach of canons 1B and 8B of the legal profession, canon of professional ethics rules. According to her complaint, it was conduct and that failed to maintain the honor and dignity of the legal profession and which tend to discredit the profession and is unbecoming of a lawyer. So basically, people, for sum that all up, basically the man was on a show. You feel me? He was on a podcast and the man just quoted one of Vybz Kartel's songs, which had lyrics that says director Llewellyn performed a sexual act. So he quoted the lyrics and they're using that to suspend him, saying it was unprofessional. And in my opinion, people, that's a load of bullcrap. You know what I'm saying? Because he basically just quoting a body of artwork. You see me? So basically I say, yo, quoting a song is misconduct. That is crazy. You see me? I say, if that is the case, then yo, all of them politicians and all of them people will use dancehall music and say them lyrics. Yo, enough of them lose them office then. You see me? I said enough of them lose them job. So this is just total bullshit. I think they're just fighting Vybz Kartel. You see me? The fight is real. You see me? They waited what? 3 months before his appeal, because his appeal is in February. So 3 months before they suspended this man for 2 years because the man recited lyrics. Come on, man. If you don't see corruption active and bad mind active, man, I don't know what else gonna open on your eyes, man. But yeah, man. But we know that Vybz Kartel have a team of lawyers. Okay, so it's not just Isaac Buchanan. He may have been leading it, but it's a team of lawyers. So even though they might suspend Isaac Buchanan, I'm pretty sure his team also is privy to the information that he already has. And I'm pretty sure he's going to be able to brief his teams on the information he has and the procedure that he was going to take. So even though they suspend him, he still can talk with him, lie at them that's not suspending. You see me? I say strategize, provide them with information that he already has, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. So yeah, man. So you know, on the Gaza people, them don't worry on themselves. You see me? Vybz Kartel, he's gonna be alright. Isaac Buchanan is smart enough to bring him this far. I don't think something like a suspicion gonna be able to stop them. You see me? I say so. Yeah, man. Prayers go to Vybz Kartel and his family. Hopefully, them free up the real boss, man. If this not telling you all the things these people been doing over there, if this not sure say, yo, there's bad mind active in this and there's foul play in this, I don't know, I go open up my eyes. You see me? I say there's a reason why they want Vybz Kartel to come on. There's, you know, you probably have some information on these people. So yeah, man, gang, I don't know what time it is. Yeah, we're moving on. And yes, guys, I mentioned that Najeeriii took to a stage in Mandeville this past Tuesday. And yeah, there was mixed feelings about his performance. Okay, a lot of people think that he topped out. A lot of people think he did great and think he's just young and he needs time to develop. People, to be honest, I watched a bit of the clip at the beginning. People was responding well, all that good stuff. What I think happened is with Najeeriii, his fans like to record his performances. So most people was recording. It wasn't like they wasn't vibing or anything. They were just busy recording on his phone, which you see a lot more people, instead of reading, people are record on them phone. You see me? I say, but people want to make a judge for themselves. Take a look at this clip and let me know what y'all think. Here is Najeeriii performance in Mandeville. Let's get it.
For feature presentation. He's not Bonnie General, he's not Ricky General. He gives his song like, can you do the Bob walk? And it's not Bob walk. Everybody here, if you can't dance or can't skank, you must can do the back walk. And ladies, don't be afraid to come up here, you won't get any. Oh. So put your hands together on stage right now. We have inside the Academy Glue. Bob, O'Connor, Najeer. Man, gotta be real. So now, man. Now we know you know. Everyone, stop and beats. Boy, j'ai pas de trucs à faire. Tu vas dire, tu vas dire le cash, tu vas bien le cash. Si la vie est galina, il a tout là, il a dit. Boy, body on fire. The running game to me. The day every day he got straight to me. Boy, the body pick up in the cap. Pick up in the cash, but it's back in the cash. See I bring a guy now, we like to go that. It's a thing that she goes to me, man. I'm here by my name, just take a money hard and the way to dance. Don't turn and slip up everything without. Pass a big ball and talk and the feet are down. Run the game to this, to it. Anything that is saying, that's straight to this. That's not the door for that. What up? When there's no more to chat about it, he dance for that to be a chop up in the round. As if I never that road, I probably kill a man. But still not sleep, I will sleep on the ground. Only like a fight with your feet now. Oh, and I'm a dance and I really like. I'm cool, it's like something pride. These are, oh, my chicken, the back, only the pretty night, I'm living nice, living nice, I'm don't tip about the
And people, that was Najeeriii, the Senegal boss himself, big rapper like Bobby. Yeah, man, that was the performance in Mandeville, people. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all saw the full performance, y'all saw the full clip. What do you think? Do you think he flopped out like people saying in social media? I mean, at the beginning, you saw a lot of people railing, making noise and cheering for him. So I wouldn't call it a flop. I just think like people wanted to listen to the rest of his songs and hear the lyrics, and he was just recording on his phone. So personally, I don't think he flopped. I just think it's the new crowd now. People, the ladies, they stand at the front and they see their favorite artists. They just want to record. They don't want to be on that. They want to cherish the moment and the memories. That's what I'm thinking. But let me know. Give me your thoughts. Let me know if I'm being biased or if I'm being too. It's off on the guys. So let me know, gang. But yeah, man. Let me know what y'all thought on this entire update. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what your thoughts on this entire update. What do you think about Massicka charting #1 in 16 countries? What do you think about his message that he had to say to the haters and the no-sayers? Let me know in the comment section. Also, what you think about Vybz Kartel's situation. What do you think about the GLC, the General Legal Committee, actually suspending Isaac Buchanan at such a short notice? You know what I'm saying? Over something he said on social media. You know what I'm saying? That was crazy. Quoting lyrics, quoting lyrics shouldn't warrant a suspension from, especially on a podcast where you're supposed to talk. You know what I'm saying? Quoting lyrics from your client, I don't think that's warrants suspension. But let me know your thoughts on that one. I don't think he breached any code of ethics or anything like that. I just think they've been looking for anything for him to mess up. They found this one thing, they jumped on it and they milked it. That's my thoughts on that one. And what's your final thoughts on Najeeriii performance in Mandeville, guys? Let me know all of that. Chop it up. Do you think Najeeriii can perform? He can perform. Do you think he have room for improvement? All that good stuff. Let's talk about it. You see me? You don't know. I'm musical love. We don't love people. You see me? I say so. Make know in the comment section. Let's chop it up, gang. Let's discuss all that. Remember to join the Discord. Link in description is fixed. Yeah, man, gang. You don't know. Me there with the bangers them. Send me requests. Send me suggestions and topics. All in our coverage. You don't know. Till next time, gang. It's the boy Jambisco back with another banger. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.